Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need Python installed and access to the running process. Open your terminal or IDE now. First, trigger a keyboard interrupt with Ctrl+C when appropriate. This raises a keyboard interrupt exception, which you can catch to clean up. Once done, consider calling sys. Exit from inside code to raise system exit for orderly shutdown. Make sure to import sys at top. If the process is external, note its PID so you can target it safely with OS signals later. Now implement graceful handling. Wrap main loops in try/accept and catch keyboard interrupt to close files, sockets, and save state. Next, register signal handlers with signal. Signal for SIGINT and SIGTERM, your handler should set a stop flag rather than force exit so threads can finish. For external processes, call OS. Kill PID signal. SIGTERM to request termination. Wait a short timeout, then escalate to signal. SIGKILL if the process refuses. Make sure to log actions and avoid leaving resources locked. To finish, confirm all threads and child processes are joined or explicitly terminated. Call thread. Join and check subprocess return codes. Once done, verify with PS or Task Manager that the PID is gone and inspect logs to confirm cleanup. If a process refuses to die, escalate to signal. SIGKILL, restart your process supervisor or restart the machine only if absolutely necessary. Troubleshooting tip. If killing fails, check for kernel locks, zombie processes, or file descriptors preventing termination and address those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.